Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a real terminal-based Python environment so you have full control. On Android, install Termux. On iOS, choose Pythonista or an equivalent app. Once installed, open the app and grant storage permissions so files persist, then update system packages so dependencies install cleanly. Next, install or upgrade pip and setup tools so you can add libraries. This first step gives you a functioning interpreter and package manager, essential before you write or run any scripts. Once your interpreter is ready, organize your project and manage dependencies. Create a project folder and initialize a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv so libraries stay isolated. Activate the environment and install libraries you need with pip. For example, requests for HTTP or Flask for a lightweight server. Make sure you can edit files. Use a mobile text editor in-app or pull from a Git repo. This middle phase ensures reproducible installs and reliable code editing on your phone. Now run and test your code. Execute scripts with Python script. Py or open an interactive REPL to iterate quickly. Use short test inputs to validate behavior. When something fails, read the traceback top to bottom to see the offending line, then pip install any missing packages or fix import paths. Make sure file and network permissions are granted. If persistent issues occur, restart the app and reapply updates. One common fix is recreating the virtual environment to clear corrupted installs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.